What's up, high levelers? My name is Andrew, and have you ever wanted to go into a automation and see what is triggering the workflow without having to click into the automation trigger, go into all the different filters, and look at all the data manually? Well, there's a quick little button that I'm going to show you that allows us to see some details called trigger narration. This is a really cool little feature. It's hidden within the workflow builder. I'm going to show you how it works. Let's dive right in. Whenever we open up any of our workflows, we'll be able to see this right here within our trigger. So this little screen allows us to see two different things. First, we get to see a quick overview of what the trigger is. For this case, it is a customer replied trigger, and our filter is reply channel is WhatsApp. Rather than having to click into this workflow and see reply channel equals WhatsApp, we can just see a quick overview right here in the trigger itself. And if we want more details about the trigger, we can click details, and then it will give us the same sort of information here. This is really helpful when we have complex triggers with lots of different filters. So let me show you what that looks like. Take a look here. We have a contact created trigger. Our contact type is customer and has tag includes reactivation. This is the basic sort of information, but if we want to see a little bit more information, like again, we can click details. We'll see contact type is customer and has tag includes reactivation. This is really great when we have team members or other people in our HighLevel account that need to learn how to use our automations and see why they are actually launching without having to go into all the nitty-gritty by clicking into a trigger, seeing all the different information, and so on. By using this, they can simply go into the workflow. They immediately see a quick trigger narration, and they can click details in order to see some more information about the trigger itself without having to go through any complex processes. This is pretty straightforward, but it's a nice little touch to the workflow builder that makes it easier to understand when triggers are being launched. As always, if you have any questions, refer to the help doc or drop a comment. My name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.